Making better life with power of technology. Development in the future. Guangdong Toney Robotic Intelligent Company Limited specializes in developing, manufacturing and marketing service such as success integrated modern high-tech enterprises. Our business purposes is Toney Machinery, manufactured by attentively since we established in year of 2001. Manufacturing the world-class industrial robot and plastic auxiliary equipment for plastic industrial. We successfully become a public company at April the 25th of 2016. Development history, a dream set sail. Dongguan Toney Machinery Company Limited is a predecessor of Guangdong Toney Robotic Intelligent Company Limited. We began by importing advanced technology from countries such as Japan and Taiwan to manufacture plastic auxiliary equipment in 1980s. Followed by 20 years of continued improvement, we were able to become a leader in field of robotics and plastic auxiliary equipment. Our development technology and automation applications are among the highest standards in this industry. High-quality achievement, Toney brand. In the 21st century, as labor cost keep increases, Chinese manufacturer population bonuses began disappearing. The international economic situation is complicated and ever-changing. We bring robots instead of humans to the factory in order to effectively reduce low-quality workmanship, labor costs, and improve the overall labor productivity. Robots will also increase product quality, ensure the safety of production environment, and promote enterprise's image. Our company recognized a trend in automation development and took advantage of great opportunity. We successfully introduced one of the high-tech enterprises and built the robot R&D team. We also cooperate with universities to improve the research and development technology and product innovation. Our goal is to make China's industry more automated, refined, and energy conservative. These are the forces driving Chinese Industry 4.0's arrival. Humans no longer work as machines. We will utilize machines to improve life for humans. This is the mission statement of our company. We have the core technology of the robotic industry. Our pursuit is to create a superior enterprise. As we move forward, we continue to mature until we accumulated enough resources to really take off. Through rapid implementation of different technologies, we became an automation solution provider. We focus on providing independence, flexibility, general-purpose manipulation machines application to such as punch machine, cosmetic industry automation equipment, high-speed backbox, multi-joint robots, plastic injection machine manipulator, leading manipulator for lathe, carrying and transport manipulator, die casting manipulator, surface treatment manipulator, electron industry automation, non-standard automation machine develop, welding robot, and more. Toney Machinery has more than 20 years experience in manufacturing plastic auxiliary equipment such as industrial chillers, mold temperature controllers, plastic crushers, resin mixers, multi-stage honeycomb dehumidifiers, hopper dryers, auto loaders, vacuum dehumidifying dryer, hot air ovens, central conveying system. Our reputation for quality machinery speaks for itself through our many satisfied customers. Toney Machinery, manufacture bioattentively is our purpose. We never stop innovating and execute international ISO standards for management systems. With strict implementation of relevant regulations of our country, many of our products and computer software have received many national patents. Corporate culture, a family for the talented workers. Through the concentration, all our people's resources, power, wisdom, and heart, we are able to create an enterprise in a concerted effort, determined to forge ahead. We have an excellent team to overcome any difficulty and rely on our corporate culture and background. Toney Machinery always take employees as the core of strategic resources, committed to building a warm working environment like home for our employees. Happy work, happy life for every employee. This is not only a job, but also their life career, their spiritual home. Future outlook, aiming at future. Looking into the future, we will break through waves and keep moving. We will import domestic and overseas advanced technology. We will continue integration of upstream and downstream research and development with high-tech colleagues to build the best team. We are committed to expand our product globally to become a technologically innovative enterprise in providing first-class robot and plastic auxiliary equipment.